Hey, this is the Eagle. Welcome to the Eagle's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a nice little snack that is tasty, that is sweet, and that is juicy at the same time. Alright? So thank you for joining me here in the Eagle Spice Kitchen. Alright, so we're going to be showing you some ingredients, and I'll be putting these ingredients together and we'll make a wonderful, tasty, sweet, tongue-licking, finger-licking snack. Alright, so you know the Eagle love to do healthy stuff, so we're gonna go with not only a tasty snack but a healthy snack. So we're gonna be starting with some cream of wheat. So I have 2 boxes here because I'm expecting catering for like about quite a number of people for this evening. And we're gonna be using carnation milk, we're gonna be using some almond essence, we're gonna be using some ground nutmegs. Basically, I like to use the fresh ones and grated, but for now, this is all I have. I'm going to be using some cane sugar, amen. I'm going to be using some condensed milk. I'm going to be using some chopped cherries. I'm going to be using some chopped almond, and then also some raisins. I love this golden raisin because the black one looks like a little, you know, little creatures in the snack, sort of like that. And then one of the main ingredients for this healthy, tasty snack is an orange soda. So the first thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be starting to compound all our liquid ingredients. So I'll start first of all with my cans of milk. So I'm actually working with average, but I want you to like my YouTube channel, like and share your comment, amen. And I want you to tell me what you think about my. So currently I have like about 3 cans, I have 3 cans of carnation milk in there. And the next thing I'm doing, I'm putting 1 can of condensed milk. Wow. Well, you know what? I'm gonna tell you something. When I was a child, and whenever my mom used condensed milk, we won the can afterwards. If you're Guyanese, you know what in chate. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it up. So this, I'm gonna make my liquid before I head over to the stove. Alright, so I'm gonna get the stove there. I'm gonna ask Josiah, my little helper, to get me the butter. So that's the condensed milk right here. Now the next ingredients I'm going to be putting in here is a butter. Now I'm going to be making I'm going to be making 2 boxes of the so this is like it's 28 ounces if you notice, so it's 2 boxes of this that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be averaging, so I'm going to be actually putting maybe 2 bottles. So I have 3 cans of carnation milk. I have 2 bottles. I'm going to tell you, this is I'm trying to see how much liter is this. This is a 20 ounce bottle of orange soda. The next ingredients that I'm going to be mixing in here is that I'm going to be mixing in average like about a spoon of, you know, I'm just averaging so far, but in the description I'll actually give you the exact amount that I have. Then I'm going to be adding like about a teaspoon and a half of nutmeg. That's ground. I like how it's like this woody smell, you know. I'm going to combine that. Why don't you? Also going to be adding my sugar. It's like about a cup of sugar that I add in here. Maybe if you want to give me a little bit more of like half a cup of more sugar. So I'm going to put maybe like about a cup and a half sugar, because condensed milk that I have in here is also very sweet. And this is my cherry that I'm going to add in there. Okay, so I'm gonna take the other cherries that you have. So I'm gonna add like another. Yeah, great. And you're gonna keep stirring. All right. So I'm actually prepping before I get to the fire. All right. The next thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be adding my raisin in here, and the liquid is gonna make it, you know, it's gonna dehydrate itself. So this is basically what I will be needing. Now if I notice that I will need more liquid, I'm actually gonna be adding more of the soda if I need, or maybe some milk if I need that. So this is my liquid ingredients. So I'm gonna head you over to the stove now, and I'm gonna show you my next portion. All right, so let's head over to the stove with some butter. All right, so the next step is I'm gonna drop my butter in here. So what we're basically making is a cream of wheat snack. Alright? For some of you that is from my descent, it's a snack that is very healthy and tasty. Don't worry. A little bit of butter is good for your body. So I'm going to allow this butter to melt. So basically I have 2 pounds of butter here. Alright? Comment in the section and tell me if you have any question. I'll come back later and answer it. And I'm going to melt this butter. So I'm currently my stove is on high, but as the butter melts, I'm going to bring it down to medium. It's very important that if you want in this cream of wheat snack, if you want it to be silky and soft and smooth, you're gonna have to make sure your butter is melted. This snack that I'm making right now, you can also use flour if you don't want to make it with cream of wheat, but I want to save some calories. All right. The eagle love to be healthy. Alright. So pretty much got my butter melted here. So I'm going to start going in with my cream of wheat. So this is my first box of cream of wheat. Alright. You see here how it goes. So I don't know if I will put my second. What I will do, I will lower my stove. Kind of lower my stove. Alright, based on my butter, I may not be able to use both. I may have to use only one. You have more butter? Alright, so the kitchen doesn't have more butter, so I may only use this one. Alright. Anybody know what this? Alright. So this is the parching process. I'm gonna make sure it's parched. Make sure. So I'm just gonna give me the next box. I'll probably use a little bit more if possible. I think that should be enough. Don't want to use any more there. So I want to cook this because it's cream of wheat. It's something is like cereal, so this doesn't take long to parch. So I'm trying to parch it before I start adding my liquid ingredients inside. So I want to make sure. Start looking good. I'll give it a couple of minutes more. Now, while I was doing my liquid ingredients, if you notice, I use the carnation milk, I use the condensed milk, I use the orange soda. If you want, you can also use 3 eggs. So basically I have here an entire box, which is 28, and I had like 2 ounces, so I have like about 30 ounces of cream of wheat here. It's a very simple snack to make. So you don't have to worry about measurements, you average. You know. And for those of you who are now learning to cook, I'll be putting the exact measurement in the description. Alright? I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be cooking up some gilbaka curry, I'll be cooking up some goat curry, some pork curry, some jeera pork. I'll be doing some fried rice, some chow mein. Alright, so now that my cream of wheat is parched, don't forget, right? It's ready. I'm going to be adding in now some of these chopped. You can eliminate chopped almonds if you don't want it to. And now I'm going to get my little helper here to add half of the amount of that. So this is my liquid. I'm going to add that here. And we're going to come back and we're going to add some more in a little bit. So that's it, you see. Now the secret of keep this in a smooth way is to keep it turning, alright? Lift the stove a little bit. It's important that you keep turning. This part of the process you have to keep turning. You cannot stop keep turning, okay? So nice. Start coming together. Looking really beautiful. If you stop turning, it's going to be into lumps and you are not able to get the beautiful, silky, smooth texture that I wanted. So we got to keep this turning until we get the beautiful texture that we want. Start coming around nicely, start getting thick. that? Beautiful. That's the texture of stomach. Nice. So the stuff is cooked. This is the hardest part. Ladies, this is a good thing to get the husband cooking with you to help you turn. See? Wow. Woo. I'm building muscles. Nice. See that? This is the exact texture that I wanted. Look at that. Let it cook some more. See that? There you have a beautiful cream of wheat snack. To be honest with you, in Guyana we call this a sirni. Okay, you can make it with flour. So cut it off now. Take my fire. So currently it's off the fire. So it's just gonna have to cool off. See? Nice. There you go. Smells good. That's your cream of wheat. Alright, so this is the finished product, alright? So I'm gonna show you something here now, watch. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, see? Moist. Woo. I have to taste it, alright? I'm gonna have to taste. Look at this. Wow. It has this beautiful silky texture and it's a little bit grainy. And the reason because it's grainy because we use cream of wheat. You can also use flour. It will take a longer process, but watch. See? Look at this, man, look. Wow. Beautiful. Perfect sugar. Rich, tasty. Alright, thank you for joining me in the Eagle Spice Kitchen. And I'll see you next time with my next meal. Thank you.